Hello, this is Stephanie Travis with One Source Accounting in Gainesville, Florida, and this video is explaining the SUMIF function in Excel. If you have not used it yet, it's worth using. It will change your life in Excel. The scenario that prompted me to use SUMIF was a client that wanted to know their total cost per employee for the month of April. And their employees earn salaries, have payroll taxes, and also have benefits. And as much as I tried, I could not get a QuickBooks report to grab all that data and give me one total for each employee. And my client did not want a lot of lines. They just wanted one line per each employee with the cost. So I did not want to add things up by hand, and as you can see, this report has several costs for that employee and then several costs for this employee, and I just wanted a formula that would look up the name of the employee and sum it for me. So the SUMIF function does that. Before we get to the SUMIF function, to set it up, you have to define fields or name fields. So let's go to the SUMIF function and let's look at it. And the construct of it is your function name SUMIF. You have parentheses with 3 pieces of information in those parentheses separated by a comma. And what this first piece of information, comp tax name, is saying, I want you to look in a column that you have named comp tax name, and if it matches F4, which is this employee's name right here, then I want you to bring back the comp tax amount. So what I did is I told this column in G4 right here to come over to this spreadsheet, look up the employee name, employee A, because that is the F4 in my function, and to add everything in this column that is next to the name employee A. But like I said, I have to tell Excel what cells comprise of this and what cells comprise of comp tax amount. And the way you do that is I highlighted that column, I went to Insert, Name, Define, and I typed in here comp tax name, and that named that entire column that name. And to see your names, you can pull this field and go, okay, what cells did I name comp tax name? Choose it and it'll show you. And comp tax referred to this worksheet that I named comp tax, and comp is compensation. These are employees' salaries and their payroll taxes. So back to our SUMIF, comp tax name, which is that column. If it's equal to F4, then I want you to give me the number in comp tax amount. Well, comp tax amount is this column, and remember the way I got that was I chose Insert, Name, Define. I highlighted it, then I said Insert, Name, Define, and I just typed in my name. Same thing with the benefits. Here's my benefits worksheet, and this has to do with life insurance premiums and health insurance premiums, all for each employee. And in my consolidation, I said SUMIF benefits name. If we go over here, even if we go over here and we say benefits name, let's see if it'll throw us. Yep, it throws us into this worksheet. So benefits name. If benefits name equals F4, then I want you to bring back the benefits amount. So benefits amount is this. So employee A, if you highlight these cells and go down to the bottom, it's 617.02, and that is the benefit amount that came back from the SUMIF. So those are all my formulas. And then just to finish it out, I did a check. How do I know that I actually got all of the data? Well, I summed all these columns right here, and then this right here should equal this. And all I did was I said G33, which is my total, minus H131 of comp and tax, which is this. And if it's 0, then the difference was 0. So I hope that helps explain SUMIF. If you have any questions about it, email me or put a message up on YouTube, and I'll be happy to help you out. Remember to check out Start My Gainesville Business, a website dedicated to helping you start a business in Gainesville, Florida, and Gainesville Bookkeepers Association. Have a great day.